Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can earn more shells by completing the seasonal events on Dress to Impress. Well, the seasonal quest, if you go here, there will be a seasonal tab. You're just going to select it. If you're on daily, it's going to be right here. It says play 10 style showdown rounds. You can even teleport there and you'll get 300 shells, which, oh my gosh, thank you so much, Dress to Impress. This is amazing. I thought I'd have to do this every single day of my life, but apparently not. I'm just going to select teleport and then it's going to show more. It says Dress to Impress style showdown and press yes, and you'll have to play it for 10 rounds and you'll get 300 shells. I mean, 10 rounds is still a lot, but it's not like 10 games. I think that's what they mean. I'm not sure. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can get more shells on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!